Hello everyone, do you want to learn Chinese fast, tough, and accurate? And this video is for you. I usually go over with homework from last video, right? And this is 第六句话，六 okay? 1、2、3、4、5、6. We can use one hand to count 10, okay? I will show you guys each time. And this is our 成语 from last video. 成语 is a 4 word combined together and sometimes tells you a story, sometimes tells you a history even, or I like to use very few words to express something instead of a lot of words. 的啊答 is answer. I told you guys last time, huh? 非非 is not. 斯窝所 is what? 乌恩问 is question. It sounds like answer not what question. Okay, it's on the surface, but it's really want to describe is answer the wrong question. All right, okay. Let's go over with our sentence from last video. 的为对 is to. 的啊他 is him. 是我说 is said. 呢因你 is you. 日我若 is if. 是 is is. 是恩神的神的 it gods. 儿子儿子 is son. Here's talking about Jesus. Okay. 可以可以 is can. 可以跳西啊下其余去跳下去跳下去 is jump down. 因为因为 is because. 经是 on 上经上 is Bible. 上 is it should be on or up. But in here, because they want to talk about the Bible, so it's in the Bible. 记这记着 is written. 是我说 talk said. Okay. 知无主 is the Lord. 要 is want. 不 为 is for. 那因你 is you. for 恩分 for 无父吩咐 is command. 特啊他 is his. 的他的 his. 特一安天使对他说，你若是神的儿子，可以跳下去，因为经上记着说，主要为你吩咐他的天使。Okay, this sentence is not finished. You can tell because it's too long. That's why I break up. And today I'm gonna guide you guys to learn the next part. Okay, new lessons. Okay, today we start on 6 because this sentence, like I told you guys, there are some I didn't finish, so I'm gonna guide you guys to learn this part. Okay, and we have one new 成语 for today. Okay, 西安闲阴云耶也呵if you always watch my video, you know this one. This one's crane. Okay, the animal, the beautiful bird. And I give you another clue. This word 云 is cloud. Okay, so you find out this word and this word. But if you always watch my video, you know this word is wild. Okay, let's write our 成语. Okay, 闲云野鹤闲 If you have any question, you can put comments under below. 云 is cloud. 野 is wild. 鹤 the beautiful bird. 鹤 Okay. let's finish our last part. 一公用是欧手 Actually, this is 手。挑拨托 This is 托。这那一你么一安免的免得 Okay, this 的 and this 的 is different. 那一你的你的鸡凹脚 is our feet. Okay. 碰自哀在时头石头是昂上用手托着你，免得你的脚碰在石头上。Okay, let's read our Chinese. Okay, 用手 is our hand. 托 like holding something. 托着。你 is you. 免的你的 yours 你的this is too long 脚 is our feet or foot 碰在石头上 Okay, 石头 somebody if you watched my video before, okay, this is the rock, right? When they go together, but it's only this word is our head. Homework time. Homework 家庭作业 is very important. 非常重要，很重要。Okay. Homework. Okay. Download a translator and translate each single word. Okay. If I'm underline, you only do the homework from the new part. Okay, the last part. And write and read 30遍。30遍 Okay, 30遍 is very important. But if you are college student, you can cut half off. Like you do 15 times. Okay. And watch an hour of Chinese TV series every day. And this is super important too. Because if you don't have this environment, and I have one, so this will help you to hear the tone, build the tones, and hear the language often, and then it helps you to speak fluently. In this one, it's called 还珠格格. Okay, 还 you just type HZGG and you will find this video. And this 格格 means princess. Okay, so it's very fun. And they have in this video, it's a long one. Okay, they maintain a lot of 成语, a lot. It's very beautiful. Okay, I hope you guys have fun with your homework. I have a video I will put under my put the link under my video because that one is about how to prevent the virus. It's from a doctor. He has been studying about this for 6 months. If you like my video, give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel and you don't miss my new videos. Okay, I will see you next Friday.